Hello, in this video I want to show you how to adjust display brightness on MSI Claw. To do this, first option is to click right here where our battery sign is, and that way it should open a pop-up like that, and then you'll be able to adjust your screen brightness with that slider. And the other way to do it is by going through the start and open the settings, go to the system and select display. Right here we'll be able to also adjust the brightness, but there's even more. We can click on the arrow next to it to enable or disable change brightness based on the content with on battery only, always, or turn it off. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.